Yo, hello my dear students in grade 5, welcome in a new video. Today we'll talk about Unit 8, Concept 2, Lesson 6, solve story problems with mixed number, and let's get into it. But first, we have to remember some important information. You gotta know it, okay? First, we all know that one day equal 24 hours. You know that 1 year equal 12 months. And we all know that 1 hour equal 60 minutes. And finally, we all know that 1 minute equal 60 seconds. So, in another way, if I want to convert from day to hour, convert from day to hour, that means times by 24. What about the inverse? I have to divide by 24. The same way, if I want to convert from year to months, I have to multiply it by 12. What about the inverse? I have to divide it by 12. The same way also, if I want to convert from hour to minute, I have to multiply it by 60. What about the inverse? You have to divide by 60. And finally, if I want to convert from minute to second, I have to times it by 60. What about the inverse? Then I will divide it by also 60. I'm hopeful that this information you have to take it screenshot. Take it as a screenshot because it's very important for our lesson. Okay, let's get to our questions. Convert mixed numbers to units of time. Okay, I wanted to convert from 80 minutes to hours. As we all know, from minutes to hours, as I said for you, I have to divide by 60, but in our new way. So 80 over 60. Okay, cancel 0 with 0, so it will be 8 over 6. Let's simplify it. As you all know that both of them are divisible by 2. Here is by 2 divided by 2, and divide by 2, so it will be 4 over 3. 4 over 3, I can convert it into a mixed number. How? By many ways. One of them, just like the division. 4 divided 3, so it will be 1 and the remainder 1. So it will be 1 and 1 over 3. So 18 minutes will be 1/3 hours. Is it clear for you? Good. Let's get to the second one. I have 7 1/10 minutes and I want to convert it. How many minutes and how many seconds? Well, it's simple. First, I have 7 as a whole number. That means I have a whole 7 minutes. Complete 7 minutes. So put the 7 right there. But what about the seconds? I have a fraction, a part of the minute. I must know how many seconds. Well, it's simple. By getting the equivalent. How? Look at me. Okay? Pay attention. I have 1 over 10. This is our fraction. I have to find its equivalent. But wait a second. We all know that the minute consists of 60 seconds. So put the 60 right there. And ask yourself, what happened to the 10 to become 60? That's right, you all got it, times 6. And just like I multiplied it by 6, I have to multiply it also by 6. So 1 times 6 equals 6. That means the 1 over 10 equals 6 seconds of 60 of minutes. 6 seconds. So 1 and 7 and 1/10 minutes equals 7 whole minutes and 6 seconds. This is the part, this is the value of this fraction. The fraction 1 over 10, I get its equivalent. Okay, that means 6 seconds out of 60 seconds, or 6 seconds out of 1 whole minute. So 1 and 7 and 1/10 minutes equals 7 minutes and 6 seconds. Okay, did you get it? Good. Let's get to the next one. I have 4 3/4 hours. I want to convert it into hours and minutes. Well, look at the whole number. I have 4 right there. That means I have 4 whole hours. So the 4 will be right there. I will write it here. What about the 3/4? I want to know what the 3/4, how many minutes does it represent the 3/4? Well, get its equivalent. I have 3 over 4 right here. And write this fraction bar. Okay. We all know that the hour consists of 60 minutes. So put the 60 right here. And ask yourself, what happened to 4 to become 60? You all get it right. So the 4, it times by 15. 4 times 15 equals 60, and just like I multiplied the denominator, I will multiply the numerator by 15. So 3 times 15 equals 45. So the 3/4 of hour represented by 45 minutes out of 60. So the 3/4 equal 45 minutes. So 4 3/4 hours, it means 4 hours and 45 minutes. Did you all get it? Good. Let's get to the next one. 6.5 years. So what does it equals? What in years and in months? Well, 6, this is the whole number. So that means a complete and whole 6 years. What about the number of months? I will get the equivalent of 12 of half. I have half equal, and I want to get its equivalent. We all know that the year consists of 12 months. And then again, ask yourself, 2 times what? Give me 12. You all got it? Times 6. And just like I multiply the denominator, multiply also the numerator by 6. So 1 times 6 equals 6. So half of year it represented by 6 months out of 12. So 6.5 years, that means 6 years and 6 months. And finally, I have 2 and 1 over 6 hours. I want to convert it in minutes. Okay. First, convert this mixed number into an improper fraction. 6 times 2 equal 12. 12 plus 1 equal 13. So it equals 13 over 6 equal. And wait a second. We have to find its equivalent. Ask yourself, as we all know, the hours consist of 60 minutes. Then ask yourself, 6 times what give me 60? You all got it? Times 10. And just like I multiplied the denominator, I will multiply the numerator by 10. So 13 times 10 equal 130. So 2 and 1 over 6 hours equal 130 minutes. Okay? Is it clear for you? Good. Let's get to the next one. Monday, Afaf spent 5 and 2 over 3 hours researching papyrus plants for her presentation. The next day, she spent 11 over 12 hours. How long did she spend? Give your answer both as mixed number and in hour and minutes. Well, to give it as a mixed number, it's simple. We all know that I will have to do what? I'll have to add both of those numbers. So I will say 5 and 2 over 3 plus 11 over 12. Simply. And you may see that both denominators are not the same, are not alike. So I will get the like denominator. How? By using the LCM. 3, it's a prime number, so that as it is. 12, factorize it, it will be 2 times 6. 2 is a prime number, 6 is not prime number, composite, so factorize it into 2 times 3. And let's organize them. I have 12 equal 2 times 3. And I have the 3, the prime number, I will write it right here. And as we all know, the LCM is drop all the number, then multiply. So 2 times 2 times 3. So the LCM in this case, it will be 12. So our new denominator, it will be 12. The denominator is still the same, so the numerator is still the same, also 11. But here I will get the equivalent. 12 divided 3 equal 4. 4 times 2 equal 8. So it will be 5 and 8 over 12. Let's add them together, okay? I have 8 plus 11 equal 19. And the denominator is still as it is. And the 5 plus nothing equal 5. Drop the 5 as it is. But wait, this is a mixed number and I have to make this fraction a proper fraction. So I will divide 19 divided 12. Here is it. 19 divided 12. 1 times 12 equal 12. Let's subtract them, equal 7. As we all know that the remainder is the numerator, 7. Here is it. The denominator is still the same. Here is 12. Okay. And what about the whole number? It will be 5 plus 1. So that means 6 and 7 over 12 hours. This is the result by a mixed number, 6 and 7 over 12. But I want to convert it as hours and minutes, and that came to the second part. 6 and 7 over 12. That means 6 hours And what about the seconds? I will get the equivalent. Okay, 7 over 12 equal, the denominator it will be 60. Ask yourself, 12 times what give me 60? You all get it, times 5. So 7 times 5 equal 35. That means 6 hours and 35 minutes. This is our answer. So if he asked me to give it as a mixed number, it will be 6 and 7 over 12. If he wants to give it as hours and minutes, it will be 6 hours and 35 minutes. Did you all get it? If you don't, please repeat the video more and more until you get it, okay? Okay? By the end of this question, we have reached to the end of our session today. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thank you and see you soon.